All right, some old two-step equations. You gotta know how to solve them. 6 plus 4n equals 2. We're trying to get n by itself. So we get rid of stuff by doing inverse operations. I see a positive 6. How can we go from positive 6 to 0 so it goes away? We can subtract 6. If we subtract 6 on one side, we have to keep it balanced and subtract 6 on the other side. So 6 minus 6 is 0. We have 4n equals, and then 2 minus 6 is negative 4. Now 4n means 4 times n, so we will divide by 4 on both sides, which will give us n equals negative 1. Awesome. A over 8 minus 9 equals 4. First thing we're going to do is get rid of minus 9, and we're going to add 9 to both sides. Let me move myself out of the way. That should be. Now we'll have a over 8 equals 9 plus 4 is 13. Now we're trying to get rid of divided by 8, so we will multiply by 8. If we do it to one side, we have to do it to the other. Now 13, think of 10 and 3. 10 times 8 is 80. 3 times 8 is 24. 80 plus 24 gives us 104 for A. Okay, 7q plus 16 equals negative 3. We'll get rid of the plus 16. We'll subtract the 16 there. 7q equals negative 3 minus 16 is negative 19. I don't want 7q, I just want q, so we'll divide by 7. Now 19 over 7, you can't simplify that anymore. I don't need the decimal, just leave it as a fraction. Negative 19 over 7. As long as it is simplified, you are good. All right, now we're going to practice factoring some of these, because it's been a minute since we factored. Always look for a greatest common factor. First, there isn't one, so we can go ahead and multiply the first and last. 2 times 14 is 28. If we're listing the factors of 28, we have 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 4 and 7. Which set adds up to 29? That would be 1 and 28. So C plus 1, C plus 28. And then we try to divide them by the A, which in our case is 2. Now if we can't do that, remember the 2 comes to the front, so it becomes 2c plus 1. Over here, 28 divided by 2 is 14. All right, look for a common factor. Nope, 3 times 20 is 60. So we could have 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, or 6 and 10. Which set would give us the 32 we need? The 2 and the 30. P plus 2, P plus 30. We will divide them by the number in front, the 3. Kick the 3 to the front there because there's nothing else we can do. 3p plus 2. And then 30 divided by 3 is 10. P plus 10. One more, hopefully we have enough time for it. This is a pretty tough one. 4 times negative 18 is negative 72. So we're looking for a set that is 21 apart. So we have 1 and 72, 2 and 36, 3 and 24. Those are our numbers. So it'll be x minus the 24, x plus the 3, and then we try to divide them by the number in front, 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6, x minus 6. 3/4, you can't do anything, so the 4 comes to the front, 4x plus 3. Looks like I have some time, so I'll list the rest of those factors that I forgot. 4 and 18, 5, no, 6 and 12, 8 and 9. So those are all the factors of 72. Okay, let's get into it.